In this video I will show you how to send offers to buyers in bulk. Watchers are people who are interested in your active listings and put your items on their watch list or on their cart for more than 5 days. When you have watchers watching your items, you can send them offers, which is a discounted price deal to try and make the sale happen. Best offer price has to be at least 5% lower than your asking price. We use this feature daily and we usually get a few sales because of that. You can do it individually for each item on your smartphone, or you can bulk send offers on your computer, which is what I'm going to show you right now. Go to your Seller Hub and Active Listings. Make sure the Quick Filters bar is not hidden. If it is, just click the arrow to make it visible. Once it's visible, you need to click on the Send Offers Eligible button, which will take you to a list of your items that have watches, which you can send offers to. Now you can either select all items in bulk by clicking on the box near the Actions text, or select individual items. Then you click on the Send Offers button. Now you can choose either to take percentage of the asking price or to take a fixed amount off. Choose whatever is best for you. We usually do between 5 to 10% depending on the item. It is always good to add a message like a limited time offer. Just click Send Offers and it will bulk send to all your watchers. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will make you a couple more sales. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.